In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove space between images in Behance. This is particularly useful for those who want to create seamless, polished projects with images that flow continuously without any unnecessary gaps. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Behance website. So open up your preferred browser and type in .behance.net. Once you've accessed the site, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Next, you should locate and open the project you want to edit. You can do this by heading to your profile or your projects page and clicking on the project in question. This will allow us to make changes to the layout and spacing of the images. Now that your project is open, look towards the top of the editor interface and find the Styles section. This is a critical part of modifying how your project visually appears, as it controls various design elements, including the spacing between content. Within the Styles menu, search for the Content Spacing option. This is where the magic happens when it comes to adjusting the space between images. When you find it, you'll see a slider or adjustment tool that allows you to modify the spacing to your liking. To remove the space between the images, simply drag this slider to the left to decrease spacing. You can adjust it as close to zero as possible for that seamless zero gap look. This process is all about finding the right balance that suits the aesthetic you're going for. So feel free to experiment a little until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the spacing adjustment, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editing panel. Clicking this is essential, as it ensures all the changes you've made are stored. Finally, you need to update your project or publish it if it's not already live. You'll find the Update Project or Publish option near where you save the adjustments. By clicking on it, your edits will be reflected publicly, or at least saved in the most up-to-date form if you're still working privately. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully adjusted the space between images in your Behance project. Remember, presentation can be as crucial as the content itself, so these subtle changes can make a significant difference in how your work is perceived. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.